Are you wondering which condo complex has the most amenities in McCall? You're going to want to check out Aspen Village. Not only does this complex have a lot of amenities, including indoor basketball, racquetball, they have a gym, indoor and outdoor pool, sauna, pickleball and tennis courts, but it's also very centrally located. You're going to be right next to the Golden Glove Park. You're going to back up to the City of McCall golf course, close to Davis Beach and Ponderosa, where it has access to boating and the lake, and it's right next to downtown, so you can easily bike into the restaurants and shops. It's really close to everything. So now we're going to go take a tour of some of these units to show you what it looks like or what you can expect when you purchase here in the Aspen Village. Hey, welcome in. We're touring this 2-bedroom, 3-bath condo in Aspen Village. And thank you to Amber Muir with Amherst Madison for letting us tour her listing. 1,320 square feet. Let's check it out. So you come in here to the living room, and this is backs up to kind of a nice grassy area. Out here it has a good barbecue. It's kitchen with electric appliances. This unit would be perfect if you're looking either for, it could be full-time residence and you would really want to enjoy the amenities and the location. Also, you are allowed to Airbnb in this particular complex, so if you're looking for any kind of investment property or even a second home, you might be interested in purchasing in the Aspen Village. This particular unit does come fully furnished, which makes it really easy because when people invest in properties, sometimes they have that from purchase date and then ready to go to market to rent, to put it on a rental program, and this one's already ready to go. So with this, both of the bedrooms are upstairs, and then you also have this large loft area and a bathroom. This bedroom has its own private bathroom with a shower and a tub and a large walk-in closet. It is good that this unit has a garage. That way if you have a golf cart, because you're close to the golf course, or if you have a car, you can park it inside. You don't have to shovel snow off of it in the winter. Not every condo in McCall comes with a garage. Here we go. You can see you've got plenty of room to either park a car and a golf cart or just a car. And then you have room up top, all these built-in storage. We moved from a house that had all this built-in storage in the garage like this to one that didn't, and it makes such a big difference on the amount of storage that you have, and you don't even realize it until it's not there. So now we have another unit to go check out. And now we're touring one of these where it is an upstairs unit, but it's directly over the City of McCall golf course. Let's go check it out. All right, this one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's over 1,000 square feet. And I'd like to thank Mike Chapman with Flying Brokers for letting us tour his listing today. So this unit has been completely remodeled in 2024. It's got new flooring, new paint, and it smells really nice in here. Oh, we've got a wood-burning stove, and you do have a private balcony that looks out onto the McCall City course. It's got really high ceilings, so it gives it a very open, spacious feel. Come check out these bedrooms. So still in the bedroom, you still have really high ceilings. You have a closet over here on this wall. Then we have a full bathroom here in the hallway with a tub shower combo. Then coming into the main second bedroom, has a window overlooking the golf course. And then we have another full bathroom with a stand-up shower. Now let's go check out this loft. This is so McCall. Now we're here in the loft, and it does have a ceiling fan. These are the places where kids just love to hang out. All right, now that we toured the loft, let's go check out the kitchen and the laundry room. So here we've got a dishwasher. It does have garbage disposal. The refrigerator, the agent said, is going to be delivered I think later today, I think is what he said. So it will have a refrigerator in that's included in the purchase. And then whenever we came through the doorway, there were 2 different entryway doors to get into this unit. So you could come through this way and it takes you into a mud/laundry room. So if you've been out on the trails all day or ATV riding, you can come in through this door and put your stuff right in the wash. So if you're looking for rental property here in McCall, I mean, Aspen Village is where it's at. It has all the amenities and is close to town, right next to everything.